enforcement team, how it was formed, the AU police, SMA and local police. For the past 4 months, we have been conducting several civic activities.
For me, I was in Congo also. Those of you who are in Sierra Leone, those of you who have been in Darfur. So this lesson, I've narrowed it to either be male or female. The sharing of resources, the men have always been dominating, which is not so much pronounced.
The officers and men, they were more than ready to learn, and they were eager. They showed the willingness of wanting to understand more about issues to do with gender, issues to do with sexual exploitation and abuse, also issues to do with conflict-related sexual violence, and finally, security sector reforms.
We are the one who will be surrendering if we are to continue like this. There was no army to deter them. The bigger head is up and the smaller part is going down. And it is natural, it happens.
Why do we need to talk about conflict-related sexual violence with you? It happens in conflict. We work only in conflict situations.
These lessons that teach us today, I think they impact a very positive impact to our soldiers and officers, and it will go a long way in the carrying out our day-to-day activities in Sector 2.
A few days ago, we handed over wheelbarrows, spades, rakes, and gloves to 3 women groups that deal with sanitation in Doble. And today, we decided to join them in this exercise, and we decided to start with the hospital because this is a very, very crucial and important facility for treating the people of Doble.
So divide yourself into 3, and then we inside the gate.
They are really doing a wonderful job because they are able to engage with the community, and they are doing so much in the process of winning the hearts and minds of the community.
Intana shaqo wanaagsan oo isdhaxgal annaga iyo walaalaheen AMISOM ayaan wada galnay. Shaqo aan caadi ahayn aan wada qabanay.